Now let's go ahead and let's send a push notification. This is my favorite part about the Ultimate App Maker. It's so easy to do this. Okay, so you can see I've got my push notification ready to go, and you basically just hit send next batch and it sends the push notification instantly to all the devices. Really that easy. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you how I did that. Okay, easiest thing to do is when you go to My Apps, your My Apps section at the top here, you get a list of all your different apps. Okay, now you actually have to send a push notification for each device. Okay, because Android is different than iPhone, so we actually have to open up both of these. So I'm going to right click. I like to keep things organized. I like to open up a new tabs. Open that new tab, and I'll open up this one in a new tab. Okay, so we've got this as the Android one. The Android one is the easiest because you don't have to do anything except for send push notifications. So from this screen here, you simply scroll down and you'll see push notifications. Okay, click on push notifications, and this is where I went. All right, and you simply just type it in here. Okay, so Pokemon Go. Oh no, let's go new Pokemon Go tip. Check it out. Because what we want to do, we want to drive people back into the app. The more people that come into the app, the more times they're going to click on the ads. Whether they click on the new tip or all the tips, hopefully they click on all of them and we make all the money. But you know, even if they just click on one or two ads, that's perfect. That's great. That's what we want. If we can get an extra 10,000 people in a month, or every push notification every week, every day, however often you want to send them, we can't blast, we can't spam. But you know, however many times you update your app, you can go ahead and do this. Really simple. I'm not going to send this because I just sent one out, but you just hit send to next batch. Okay, and I can actually attach a screenshot of the push notification that I just sent. This is the exact same message, and it shows up on my phone. So you just hit send to next batch. It sends the message out. You can hit done, and you're good to go. Okay, so now let's do it for iPhone. iPhone's a little bit different. I'm actually still waiting for my iPhone to get approved. You can see here it needs improvement, so I do got to fix a couple things for it to get approved by Apple. I'm going to go ahead and do that, but I'm going to show you the process here. So let's click on the same thing, push notifications here. Okay, and you can see that there's one thing we need to do before we can send a push notification, and that's creating an APN certificate. Okay, this certificate is done through your Apple developer account profile. So if you don't have an Apple profile, you can't send this, obviously, and you need to have your app published in Apple for them to find the app to create a certificate for it. And all the certificate is it's like an API, access to API. So if you do any Apple Pay, in-app purchasing, push notifications, anything with Apple Wallet, you're going to need to create a certificate. Okay, and I'm going to create another video right now to show you exactly how to set this up. If you don't want to watch that, simply just right-click on this. This actually take you to a page with step-by-step instructions on how to do this. So I'm going to walk you through this in the next video. But if you want to go ahead and you want to just click on that link and get started on it, you can do that. You're going to upload your new certificate here, and you're going to be able to send push notifications just like we did with Google. You type your message in here, you hit send here, push, and that's it. Sends it to all the devices. It's awesome. And honestly, if you send this out, every update you get, you'll probably get a third of those people that already download your app back into your app, at least at a minimum. Hopefully more. It just depends on how good your message is that you send out and the time of day. But really easy to send this out. Like I said, my favorite part about this app maker, if you have any questions, shoot me a message in the training.